Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We continue with our Early America series by looking at the Industrial Revolution. Check the description down below for a fill-in-the-blanks worksheet that goes along with this video. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize in advance for any mispronunciations. I do my best. Alright, here we go. A tremendous change came from Europe to America in the early 1800s. Called the Industrial Revolution, it altered the way that goods were made and the way many people worked and lived. New spinning machines and mechanical looms set up in factories replaced the old ways of spinning and weaving at home. Although most people continued to farm for a living, many began moving to areas surrounding the new factories and mills. These workers were paid wages and had to work a set number of hours each day. Capitalists ran the factories in hope of making a profit. Although Britain tried to keep its mill plans secret, Samuel Slater knew how to build a mill and its machinery and needed no paper plans when he arrived in America. Soon, he built the first successful water-powered textile mill in the United States. The invention of interchangeable parts allowed Eli Whitney to produce guns in a factory setting. The practice soon expanded to other goods that had previously been crafted one at a time by hand. Soon, New England developed manufacturing on a wide scale. The market economy had begun. Towns became centers of manufacturing. Among them was Lowell, Massachusetts. There, a group of investors established mills and hired young women from nearby farms to run them. Relishing their earning power, most of these Lowell girls sent their wages home. However, the work was dangerous and the hours were long. The shift toward factory work changed home life and even altered the way that men and women were seen by society. The growth of manufacturing led to urbanization. Growing cities faced many problems. Poor sewers, a lack of clean drinking water, and filthy city streets encouraged the spread of disease. Yet people continued to move to cities for the opportunities they offered. American inventors helped industry grow and changed American life. The development of the cast iron stove allowed for safe cooking indoors. New farming equipment, including a mechanical reaper and a steel plow, made farming more productive. Perhaps most revolutionary was the telegraph. It let businesses and individuals communicate more quickly than ever before. Okay, your recap. In the early 1800s, America got hit with a European trend, the Industrial Revolution. Basically, the ultimate makeover for how people worked, lived, and wore cotton. Instead of spinning yarn at home, people flocked to noisy factories full of whirring looms, earning wages on a strict schedule, courtesy of capitalists dreaming of dollar signs. Britain tried to keep its industrial blueprints under wraps, but Samuel Slater slipped in like a spy and built America's first textile mill. Meanwhile, Eli Whitney's idea of interchangeable parts made it possible to mass-produce everything from guns to gadgets. Cities like Lowell, Massachusetts saw factories filled with Lowell girls, farm daughters turned factory workers sending cash back home while working long, grueling hours. Urban life was no picnic with stinky streets and rampant disease, but people came for the opportunity. Then came the telegraph, cast iron stoves, and new farming tools, boosting productivity and shrinking the world one dot and dash at a time. There you have it, folks. That's the Industrial Revolution nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. This is capitalism. So don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons for me. Say hi in the comments down below. See y'all next time on Nutshelled Revolution.